Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. In continuation to ongoing series of food microbiology on my channel Food Cyto, today I am going to discuss about how pH of our food affects microbial growth. As represented here, every microorganism has a minimal, a maximal and an optimum pH for growth. Now the question is, why microbial cells are affected by pH? And the answer is because microorganisms do not have any mechanism to regulate their internal pH. In general, yeast and molds are more acid tolerant as compared to bacteria. The internal pH of food varies. Most of the foods are either neutral or acidic. Foods with low pH values, that is below 4.5, are not readily spoiled by bacteria, but they are more susceptible to spoilage by yeast and mold. That means a food with an inherent low pH would be more stable microbiologically as compared to the foods with neutral pH. The excellent keeping quality of some foods, for example, soft drinks, fermented milks, pickles, sauerkraut, etc., is related to their restrictive pH. Now let's discuss about pH of molds, yeast and bacteria. As mentioned here, molds can grow over a wide range of pH values as compared to yeast and bacteria. Whereas fermentative yeast are favored by a pH range between 4 to 4.5, and most bacteria are favored by a pH near neutrality. Therefore, pH of our food product is very important in relation to microbial growth. And how can you measure this pH? Using a pH meter. Although pH value alone may not be sufficient to have an idea of microbial response in your food. And sometimes it is important to know about the acid responsible for a particular pH. Why so? Because some acids, particularly organic acids, are more inhibitory than others. The inhibitory properties of many organic acids, for example lactic acid, benzoic acid, citric acid, propionic acid, sorbic acid, etc., make them used widely as food acidulants or preservatives. One thing to be noted down is pH not only affects the rate of growth of microorganisms in your food, but it also affects the rate of survival during storage or some forms of processing, for example drying, heating, etc. Why are we saying so? Because initially pH of the foods may be suitable, but with due growth of organism itself or competitive microflora, pH may become unfavorable. Conversely, initial pH of the food may be restrictive, but a limited number of growth of certain microorganisms may alter pH of your food to a range that is more susceptible to the growth of many other microorganisms. So that's all about pH in relation to microbial growth. Stay tuned with Food Cyto for more such concepts and learning in a simplified manner. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.